Welcome back, children. Today we can see about global and local variables. Global variables are the variables which are defined or used inside the main part of the program. They are the variable which are used inside the main part of the program. Local variables are the variables which are defined inside the function. Variable which are used inside the function are known as local variable. Global variable which are used outside the function. Variable which are used outside the function are known as global variable. Now we can see one example. Here in this example, sum list is the function. You can see sum list is the function, and here L is a list which is defined outside the function. So I can call L as a global variable. And here this is the function part. Inside the function part, I just use a variable S, where S is known as a local variable. L is a global variable. L is a global list, where S is a local variable. Using this function, I am just finding out the sum of the elements stored in a list. See, by using the for loop, I am extracting one by one element from the list. After that, elements are added along with S. So you will get the sum of the elements which is present in the given list. So here L is the global list and S is a local variable. I'll try out one program, one small example in Python. This is just a function. Inside this function, I'm going to define a variable sum as 0, and just I'm going to use sum is equal to sum plus 10. It is just adding 10 along with the sum, printing that value, print sum is. So I'm printing that value, that is printing here. Outside the function, I am using another variable. Variable is div is equal to 90. Then I am printing that value, print value of div is div. It's just displaying that value, and I'm just calling the function. So in this example, sum is a local variable, and below you can see in the main part of the program, you can see I just use the variable div. Div is a global variable. Div is the global variable, sum is a local variable. So any variable which is defined outside the function is known as global variable. Any variable which is defined inside the function is known as local variable. Local variable can be used only within the function, which cannot be used outside the function. See that I just used a variable sum inside this function. You can see sum is used inside the function. Same variable, I cannot print it over there. I am going to display the value of sum is sum. Try to display the value of sum. You can see the error. Just run this program. See, str object has no attribute sum. Value of num. Sum is not there. See here, comma. That is not there. Just check it once again. You got the first output and second output. Second, see that next sum is, it's a built-in function. It's not displaying the value of sum. It's not displaying the value of sum. Say, actually sum is a local variable which is not accessible outside the function. Now I told you div is a global variable. Same way you can define the variable anywhere outside the function. So that means I am going to declare a variable here above the function. That is also a global variable. See that run, that is a global variable which is defined outside the function. You can use that global variable here we cannot display the sum here. Now just run that program. Yes, you got the answer. Value of run is 10. So in this example, you can see two different global variable, run and div, and one local variable, that is sum. So you can define the global variable anywhere outside the function. It can be below the function or above the function, anywhere outside the function, not in the indentation of the function. Now next thing, you cannot access the local variable outside the function. That is why when I try to display the value of sum here, it is showing the error message. I will give you another example. Instead of sum, I am going to give A equal to 100. A is a local variable. Along with this one, I am trying to display A also. That is inside the function. I will give the message here. This is inside the function. Inside the function. Inside the function, sum is, and there are two values we are displaying there. And here, I am trying to display the value. This is outside the function. Outside the function, I am trying to display the value of A. Check it. It's showing the error message, name A is not defined. See, outside the function. That is because A is used or defined inside the function, which cannot be used outside the function. Now, next thing. You can use a global variable inside the function. You can access or you can use a global variable inside the function. But the reverse is not possible. Local variable cannot be accessed outside the function. But the reverse is possible. That means global variable can be accessed, used inside the function. Here you can say a global variable, div is a global variable. I am going to display the value of div inside the function. Print inside the function, value of div. Value of div. Say, we can say value of div here. Just run the program. Is it possible to use the value of global variable inside the local scope? Yes, it is possible. This is the error of the previous question, previous example. That is, A cannot be accessed outside the function. You can see the value of div. See, the value of div is 90 here. Div is a global variable which can be accessible inside the function. And the next thing, global variable can be accessible inside the function or can be used inside the function. But we cannot change the value of the global variable inside the function or inside the local scope. Global variable value cannot be edited inside the local scope. So that means I cannot write a statement like this, div equal to div plus 10. That means I am trying to change the value of div. Div actually a global variable that can be accessible, that can be used, but we cannot change its value. Just run this program. We are trying to change the value of div, that is a global variable. It's showing the error message, local variable div re-referenced before assignment. Means div is not changeable. Div is a global variable which cannot be changed inside the function scope. Understood? Understood all of you? And the next thing, you can use both global and local variable has same name. You can use both global and local variable has the same name. So I am going to use a variable here. This is variable is glob. Glob equal to 900. Glob, that is a global variable. And inside the function also, I am going to use the same variable glob equal to, here the glob value is 800. Global variable glob which has the value 900 and I'm using the same name inside the function and declaring another value. You just try to display that value. Print inside the function, value of globe. Inside the function value of globe. So that will be the global variable value will be displayed here. Just run this program. You just go through the value of globe. You can say globe equal to 800. Globe equal to 800. This error because I didn't change that div. Div is not changed from the function scope. That is why this error is showing. Here the value of globe is 800. Now next. So that is this 800 local variable globe. Next I am going to trying to change this one, globe equal to globe plus 2. I am just updating the value of globe. We cannot use this div here. We cannot change the div here. Yes, okay. Yes, children. Now next is, here I just try to change the value of globe inside the function itself. Inside the function, I am trying to display the value of globe value. So that is inside the function. Once initially globe is 800, which is updated with the 2. So you can see what is the value that is displaying here. Say that is 802 is displayed inside the function. This is inside the function. Now try to display the outside the function. Print value of globe outside. Yes, check it. Value of globe outside. What will be the value of globe outside the function? Outside the function, it will be the global value. Global value is 900. Understood? So that means you can use both local and global variable can have the same name. But inside the function, local variable has more scope. That means local variable will be accessible than the global variable. Next thing, I just remove everything from here. As I told you, you can display the value of globe here. This is, you can display the value. That means you are using the value of the global variable inside the function. This is possible. Just run this program. You will get the globe value as 900. This is the globe value that will be displayed here. Now, if you're trying to change the value of globe equal to globe plus 2. If you are trying to change the value of globe, what will happen? It will show the error message. See that we cannot change the value of global variable inside the function scope. Now, you can use a keyword global. You can use a keyword global to change the value of a global variable inside the function scope. You can, using the keyword global, you can change the value of the global variable inside the function. See, I am going to write globe equal to globe plus 2. Just try to print that value. Print updated value. Updated value globe. Just run the program. It should come on the top. Before using that one, you have to declare that globe. So initial value of globe is 900. 900 is displayed. After that 2 is updated, you got 200 and 902. So you just accessed, after that you updated that also. Now by using the global keyword, you can access the global variable inside the function. So that is all about local and global variables. Now go through this one. This is an example where A is declared as a global variable, and here also I just declared B as a global variable. And the global variable I am using inside the function. Inside the function scope, I am using the global variable. Next, in this example, the same thing. M is a global variable. I am trying to use M inside the function. Here, global variable, we can use global variable inside the local scope, but we cannot change its content. See, sum is a global variable. I am using a local variable of same name. Sum is a global variable and sum is another variable which is a local variable. So when you use a local variable, the local variable can be accessible and usable inside the function. Local variable has more scope than the global variable. So local variable is accessible inside the function. Each time when you use sum, it is displaying or accessing the local variable. But outside the function, when you use sum, that will be the global variable. And the next thing, by using the global keyword, you can change or update the value of the global variable. That is all about local and global variable. So that means global variables are the variable which are defined outside all the function. Local variables are the variable which are defined inside the function. Global variable can be accessible inside the function, but local variable cannot be accessed outside the function. Global variable can be changed inside the function by using the keyword global.